Hi, I'm making a savory cranberry sauce with thyme and wine and balsamic vinegar. It's very good, so let's get started. On Darlene's table. We're going to start by sauteing the shallots in a little olive oil. Once they're ready, then we'll add the other ingredients. I added just a little bit more oil. All right, add the fresh thyme and let it saute just a minute or so with the shallots. A wonderful smell right now. All right, I'm adding the balsamic vinegar and red wine. Use a good balsamic vinegar. Brown sugar, the seasoning, salt and pepper, and now my orange zest. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'll reduce the heat to low. At that time, we'll add the cranberries. So here we go. Fresh cranberries. You can use frozen. So we're going to stir this and we're going to cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. As this sauce simmers, you will actually hear the cranberries pop. Now, if they start popping out of the saucepan, you might want to put a screen on top. It's come back to boil, and I'm going to reduce the heat to simmer. All right, this is the way it'll look, a nice thick cranberry sauce. And it tastes so good. It's just slightly savory, but it is definitely sweet and the full, bold taste of cranberries. I'm putting this in the container and into the refrigerator. After it's completely cool, then I'm going to put it in the freezer until Thanksgiving. This is mid-October. It does quite well in the freezer. Tangy and sweet, in that order, is what I'm looking for in a cranberry sauce, and this recipe provides just that. It is the perfect complement to any turkey, chicken, or even pork. And as satisfying as this dish was to eat, it was equally satisfying to make. Call me crazy, but hearing those cranberries pop and watching them meld into a thick sauce was rewarding to me. Please give this a try. I know you're going to love it. Now you can find the printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. I appreciate you and hope to see you soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.